let's go. Oh. Oh, on. A few waves on the way out. Not ideal, but it's high tide at the moment, so little gap here, so trying to look for out the back here to see if there's any waves coming through. Looks like it's a little bit better over here. Alright, let's go. Oh, get out there before the next set comes through. We're out. It's been probably a couple hours. I've been floating around trying to catch some fish. The weather's just died down, so I think I've got a chance. So let's get fishing, eh? Let's catch a Dhufish or a snapper. You! I've got the Berserker meathead here. This is a 60 gram. This has got some 5/0 hooks. Got some Oki on it right this moment. I've got another one of these, 80 grams with 7/0 hooks as well. Explorer NS black hole. This is a PE2. So we're just heading out to the spot right now. A few things, a few marks on the ground, nothing too exciting. But yeah, let's catch a fish. While winding this up, I thought it felt a little bit heavier than normal. A few shakes, a little baldy. Hopefully we can get him off easy. Stop it, stop it, stop it. So I'm going in, and as you can see, that is a nice lump with bait fish. This is I've let the loose drag down a bit because I just got snagged before, so it's not as big as what it sounds. It's got some head shakes, so this will be a snapper. I saw something on the sounder that looked half okay. I don't think this is it though. I think this is just a baby. Anything today over 50 would be good. It's been slow. Yeah, look size. Yeah, I'm happy with that. He wants to go for a run. He wants to keep going. He'll be size. Hey, come back here. You're coming home. So here we'll go about 50 so centimetres. There's a few fish underneath me. I'll drop this down just to see if anything else wants to pick it up. This is a big Oki, so this is really my Dhufish rig. Something's taken this for a good ride. Oh, I'm at an angle, sorry guys. See if I can fix that up in a second once he's stopped shaking his head. So this is another decent snapper. Just got to keep contact with him. Oh, there we go. Should have a better view now. I haven't even undone this other guy. Nice one. Good, thank you. Wait for him to finish his little shakes and runs. We're getting in. There we go. There's two pinks in front of me right now. It's biting me. Well, I'm gonna start pedaling a little bit to get out of here because I'm in a bit of a hit zone, I think, coming up. Oh, on. I don't know, I hope there's not a snapper again. I wanted a Dhufish. So I gave back the other, put the small snapper back. It's a decent Dhufish. He's going to go for another one. Here's a good sized Dhufish. Oh. Come here, big boy. It's a good size eating. I'm glad I put that snapper back. And I got this Dhufish. Ew! So that's it, that's a wrap, guys. I'm going to be going in now. There's no point staying out. Band's coming up, so but hopefully we can go fishing for something else, maybe some squid. We'll catch some fish anyway. Ew!